Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Oluka Auntie Daycare. If today is the first time on this channel, I am so happy to have you on board. You are so welcome. Yes. So today we're going to be learning how to say no in Yorùbá language. And believe me, you can say no in 3 different ways in Yorùbá language. And you're still saying the same no. Okay, before we go into all of that today, you know we have to greet everyone together in Yorùbá language, right? So, on the count of Ení o, èjì o, ẹ̀ta, ó yá o, ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́. A kú dédé àsìkò yín gbogbo tí ẹ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi lónìí. Orúkọ tèmi ni olùkọ́ Aunty Daycare bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Tí òní bá jẹ́ ọjọ́ àkọ́kọ́ tẹ́ máa darapọ̀ mọ́ wa, ẹ wo inú mi dùn lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ láti rí yín. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ̀dẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀, èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì máa fi kọ́ àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi. Ó yá o, ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ. All right, guys. So like I said earlier, we're going to be learning how to say no in 3 different ways in Yorùbá language. Now, the very first one and the most common one is rárá. Say rárá. Okay? Rárá. Now, if someone was to ask you something in Yorùbá language, let's say, or even if they ask you in English, you can try to respond back to them in Yorùbá because you are of Yorùbá heritage. Okay? So, if someone needs to ask you, for example, do you want to eat? You can say no to them in 3 different ways. Okay? You can say rárá or rárá o, because we Yorùbás, they know us for wow, we're so expressive, you know. So you can say rárá o. Okay? And if they ask you the same question, okay, there's another way. The second way of saying rárá or the second way of saying no is meal. So for example, remember some weeks back actually, we learned about how do we make these phrases in Yorùbá language. Oh, I want to. We learned a lot about I want to. So now, if you don't want to, how do you say it? Someone now is asked you, do you want to eat? Ṣó fẹ́ jẹun? And I'm sure you remember what jẹun is, because from those phrases we learned a lot of things. How do we say I want to eat, I want to stand, I want to sit, I want to, we learned a lot of things. So now, how do you say I don't want to? Okay, which is so you saying no. Okay, so you would say meal. Do you want to eat? Meal fẹ́ jẹun. Meal fẹ́ jẹun. Meal fẹ́ jẹun. Okay? Then there is the third way of saying it. Maybe someone said to you, or maybe you were accused of doing something. I know to tell them no. If they say, are you fighting someone, or were you the one making that noise? Otio. O-T-O. Okay? O-T-O. That means you're saying no. It's not me. Otio. You understand? You still say no, but you said it in 3 different ways. Do you want to eat? Rárá o. Do you want to eat? Mi ò fẹ́ jẹun. Are you the one shouting there? Otio. Do you understand that? Do you get that? Okay, so how do we now say that in full sentences? So, for example, ṣó fẹ́ jẹun? Rárá o, mi ò jẹ. You understand? Rárá o. Now we've combined the first type and the second type together. Okay, rárá o, mi ò jẹ. Okay, ṣó fẹ́ jẹun? Mi ò fẹ́ jẹun. Do you understand? Ṣó fẹ́ jẹun? Otio. Mi ò jẹun. Otio. Mi ò jẹun. Did you get that? And you know what? That is it for today. I want you to practice those 3 ways of saying no, okay? And when we come back again next time, we will be revising this again. And I want to hope that you will practice this, okay? Until we see again next time, we say our order but together. On the count of Ení o, èjì o, ẹ̀ta, ó yá ó dàbọ̀. Thank you so much. Ẹ ṣeun.